Yo, first order of the day is a Jack in the Box. This one is $9, going just under 5 miles.
Sorry for the wait. What can I get started for you?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Next up, we are on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a Home Depot. No shopping this time. Hopefully it fits in my car, whatever it is. Please don't be like a grill. Don't know if I mentioned it, but this one's going 5 miles.
But now, like, obviously you have to change suit when under attention.
Don't know why, but it took forever to actually complete that order. It was just stuck loading and loading and loading. Classic DoorDash. No tip on that, of course. Total for that was $6. And we got the next order, which is probably also going to be a no tip. We got a Wendy's. This one's going 2 miles.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. What can I get for you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Total for that one was $6. Got this one right away. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $7, going 2 miles, 2 items. Next up is a McDonald's, going 2 miles. Thank you. You too. Oh, very nice. No tip on that. As expected. Total for that was $3. $3. Wow. Next up is a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is $8, going 4 miles.
Can I say?
You too.
Don't touch your stuff.
Next order up is a stack going to the same person. We've got Black Rock Coffee and Seize the Bagel. This is going 5 miles. Bro, these parking lots are literally flooded. Thank you. I don't know if you could tell in that last clip, but there is a speed bump in that parking lot and it's pretty much underwater. So, yeah. Total for that one was $14. Was that worth it? Kind of, yeah. Got this right away. It is a McDonald's, $7, going 4 miles. Got this right away. This is a Mr. Maple Donuts, going 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you very much. Got it? Yep. All right, not too bad. Besides the long wait at the restaurant, that was a really easy order. Total for that one was $14. Okay, it actually tipped pretty well. Thank you, thank you. Next order up is Muchas Gracias. This is $6 going 1.5 miles. Thank you. Got this next order right away. This is a Starbucks, $10, going 4.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Hello. For Shelby. Next up is a Subway. This one is $9, going 4 miles. Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a McDonald's, $7, going 3 miles. Hello. Hi. For Jennifer?
Okay,
Next order up is a Burgerville. This one is $8, going 4 miles. Current time is 10:13. Current total is 106. And I believe waiting on 2 Uber tips, which should bring it up to, I'm gonna guess 116. But yeah, I'm kind of over getting soaked, so let's go home. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.